today's Christmas diary on the Daily Connoisseur, we're going to make a winter punch, wrap some presents, do some cooking, journaling, and so much more. Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur, and I hope you are enjoying our Christmas videos for this season. One of my favorite holiday cooking hacks is to find seasonal ready-made treats and add my own touch to them. Trader Joe's is a great grocery store for this. I found this ready-made winter wasai punch there, so I'm going to heat it on the stove along with some fresh cranberries and lemon slices to create an intoxicatingly festive hot drink. If you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, you can make this punch yourself. The ingredients for the punch are as follows: a sweetened blend of black currant, apple, and lemon juices with cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, cardamom, ginger, and orange peel. I like to let this simmer on the stove until the cranberries have burst, releasing even more flavor in the drink. While I was at Trader Joe's, I saw this cranberry upside down cake and it looked irresistible. This duo will be perfect for tea time. I'm going to sit by the tree and enjoy this for a quiet tea time along with Victoria's Traditions of Christmas book, which, since its publication last year, will definitely become a yearly reading tradition for me. I love looking through its decorated pages, each photograph like a treat for my eyes. Speaking of Victoria, if you haven't already picked up their last issue of the year, the Christmas issue, I highly recommend you do. It contains my final writer-in-residence essay with the magazine. It's called Treasures with Meaning. In my essay, I write about the treasures we bring out at Christmas time each year, weaving timeless traditions into the fabric of our memory. It has been such an honor to be Victoria's writer-in-residence for 2024, an accomplishment that I will truly treasure forever. Now let's make a creamy tortellini recipe that's festive enough for the holiday season. I begin by preparing my ingredients by chopping up some garlic and sun-dried tomatoes. In my Le Creuset pot on medium-low heat, I sauté the garlic in butter and olive oil. To that pan, I add some shrimp. I also add the sun-dried tomatoes and Italian seasoning. When the shrimp are slightly pink, I add some heavy cream mixed with milk and a cup of Parmesan cheese. I also add a bag of fresh spinach and a handful of fresh cherry tomatoes. The greens and reds make this such a perfect pasta for Christmas time. Make sure that you don't cook this for too long or the shrimp will get tough. While the sauce has been cooking, I prepared the cheese tortellini according to the package instructions. Once the tortellini has drained, I add it to my creamy shrimp sauce and stir to combine, making sure that the rich and decadent sauce gets into each and every crevice of the tortellini. I serve this with an extra dusting of Parmesan cheese. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'd like to take a minute to tell you about LMNT, who have kindly sponsored today's video. Their chocolate medley is back for the holiday season. You can enjoy delicious flavors like chocolate mint, chocolate chai, and chocolate raspberry. LMNT is a tasty electrolyte drink mix with everything you need and nothing you don't. That means lots of salt with no sugar. It contains a science-backed electrolyte ratio of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. LMNT is formulated to help anyone with their electrolyte needs. I do intermittent fasting, so I'm always thinking about replenishing my electrolytes in a safe way. I love their flavors like citrus, raspberry, watermelon, orange, and I absolutely love the chocolate ones as well. I enjoy those with hot water as a nice hot chocolate, or sometimes I'll add them to coffee to make a rich mocha. Right now, LMNT is offering my viewers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serving packets free with any LMNT order. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share LMNT with a salty friend. So get yours at drinklmnt.com/dailyc. This deal is only available through my link. You must go to drinklmnt.com/dailyc. Let's do some journaling now. I've been using my bullet journal holiday notebook for November and December. My journaling practice has really evolved this past year, especially. I've been journaling nearly my entire life, since I could write. I did take a big break when I was a new mom, but over the past several years I have gotten back into it. When I was a child, my journaling technique was more of a Dear Diary technique. I just wrote down my everyday experience pretty faithfully and my feelings and emotions. As an adult, that has changed somewhat. I do a mixture of several types of journaling techniques and go through phases of journaling where I rely more heavily on one type over another. I've also begun to get more creative with my journaling, allowing art to infuse it a bit. I'm going to do a whole video on this in the new year, so I hope you'll subscribe and look out for that. But I'd like to encourage you to journal, especially if you've never done it before and think that it isn't for you. It can be a very transformative experience. After journaling, I'm going to get a bit more wrapping done. I like to get creative, making the presents look festive by doing a lot of the wrapping with brown recyclable craft paper. I just get the big reams on Amazon. I can link them down below. But I'll do that, and then smaller gifts, I like to use more expensive stylized papers like this beautiful Dogwood Hill Victoria Magazine paper. It's so pretty and Victorian looking. I also use a combination of different types of ribbons to make the packages stand out. I love velvet ribbons, Christmas tartans, and plaids this time of year. I also like to use natural elements like eucalyptus, rosemary, and those dried oranges that I baked the other day for the tree. There's something so meditative about wrapping presents. Put on a good podcast or audiobook, and it can be such an enjoyable way to pass the time. Here's a recent outfit of the day I've been enjoying quite a lot. The Goelia cardigan with the gold buttons and the Lily Silk sweater skirt, which has replaced my previous black skirt for winter. This one is a bit thicker and warmer, and the whole outfit gives cozy sweater vibes, but chic, you know? The gold buttons on the cardigan remind me of a toy soldier. I'm wearing my hipstick pantyhose with this and my John Joseph lug shoes, but I also wear this with my over-the-knee suede boots. The handbag is by Teddy Blake. It's the Dana in emerald green. Since the entire outfit is black, I like this pop of emerald. I also like that it's a gemstone. It just feels rich and decadent for the holiday season. In addition to cooking at home, we've also enjoyed takeout and restaurant options. In-N-Out is hands down my favorite fast food. I don't get this often, so when I do, I completely relish it. I love their shakes, fries, and of course, iconic burgers. And here's some Indian takeout we got for my mom's birthday. We like to get chicken korma, chicken tikka masala, saag paneer, lamb korma, and of course, mango lassis for everyone. I think the best part of the holiday season is all the decadent food. Definitely one of my favorite aspects. I hope you enjoyed today's Christmas diary. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to LMNT for sponsoring. Right now, LMNT is offering my viewers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serving packets free with any LMNT order. Just go to drinkelement.com/dailyc. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next Christmas video. Love, Jennifer.